Everyone, this is David from marketingadventures.ml. Thank you for joining me on another product review of a product called Breeze Funnels. Now, this is a cloud-based software that will help you create funnels as well as Pinterest pens. Now, this is something that is going to be exciting for you to use if you've never done this before, and it is all cloud-based, and you can put it on your WordPress documentations. So we're going to get into all of that along with all the bonuses that I've created for you as well as what the vendor has. But in the meantime, what I need for you to do is click on that link down below, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell for future notifications on this channel so you won't miss out on any future videos that I've got coming out in the coming future. So with that, let's get into this video review. All right, so there isn't a sales page as of the time that this goes live. This goes live on March 18th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're just going to look at my bonus page that I have, and when you click on the link, you're going to get to this page here. And when you do click on any of these orange buttons, it's going to take you to a win a copy version of the product. So they don't have the sales page as ready yet, so they're giving away a free copy of it as well, so you can actually be able to pick it up after that, after it goes live. But you need to do that before this countdown timer goes down to 0, because all of the bonuses I have on this offer will be gone in a heartbeat. So as we say here, Breeze Funnel is a smart funnel that allows you to create your own world-class funnels within free traffic from the hottest sources online in just less than 2 minutes. So it's all pretty simple, straightforward, and that's what this is. And as you can see, as we scroll down a little bit more, it's a one-click create funnels with one mouse click, unlimited create, host, and profit from unlimited funnels, done for you funnels, templates, and themes, 24/7 profit, make money while you sleep on autopilot, newbie friendly, no technical expertise required, effortless integrations with your favorite autoresponder and tools, hosting included, don't need to pay for a web host, and no monthly fees. Once paid, you can access it forever. So that's basically what this is. And we're going to go inside of this, and I'm going to give you a little rundown, a little demo, and we've got a video that will explain to you how it works a little bit more. So if you click on here, these are some of the samples that's in here already. So we're going to look at one here. There's a demo here. We're going to click on this one. I believe we can edit it here. This kind of gives you an exact demonstration based on the video we're about to watch in a few minutes. How you put this together. You can make all of this, your disclaimers put in here, your image in here, how you can edit the text in here. You can create your pen. You can create your auto response settings in here. You can do your tracking codes for your Facebook and Google in here. You can do your SEO options and getting it optimized for SEO. You can create your thank you page and where you want to send your client from that, and you get full control over here of what you want that opt-in button to say when they click on that. So that's all in here. And the dashboard is right here. As we said, this is how you do it here. Here in your settings, this is where you're going to set your integration for your autoresponder. There are training in here, videos in here, how it all works. So you can see all the training videos, and that'll help you with that. There's the tutorial, which is the main tutorial, which you're going to see in a moment here. And then, of course, all the access to your Breeze Care funnels and what product upgrades that you purchase that you will get. And of course, the support tab is right up here on the top as well. So this is pretty much what it is. And this is all of the ones that have been created as an example. And you can see all of the ones that you've done as you work with it, and as you save it, you can see all the ones that you've created, like a wellness store. You could do one like in a wellness store. You could do one in health. You could do it in fitness. You can do it in make money online niche. You can do it on pets, dogs, anything that you want, art, you name it. You can create any of these funnels in here. All you do is click on the create start, give it a title, and then we can say like demo free. And then if it's available, you hit submit. And then you go in your keywords, and we can go in the keywords. We're going to say digital marketing, for example. And we'll do this really quick. We'll do a search. And it's going to give us a brief detail on what the pens on Pinterest look like. And you could do click for inspiration. So if you're going to click on one of these here, you can say add for inspiration. And it will give you 3 inspiration tabs on the side here, as a demo will give into a little bit more. And you can use these as a template to give you inspiration on how to put your funnels together and be able to maximize your efforts by this example. So these are, you're taking the resources from other sources to make this all possible. very simple. And then once you've done this, you go right into you click on X and you get ready. You can create a pen. You can create a pen or a landing page, and then here is where you would go in here and do your landing page options. And then that's how that works. So right now we'll watch the demo on how they do it, and then that way you get an idea. So you can make this all work and make it all possible, you know, by changing your logo and everything else in your pages and your tracking code and your SEOs and your autoresponder and your landing page and your thank you page, and everything will be done. So we'll look at that right now. We'll come back and talk about the pricing in just one moment.
Hi, welcome to the quick overview of our latest software called Breeze Funnels. So in here, you can search for high traffic pins that are ready to emulate in any niche for any keyword. So you can host on our server, no hosting required. You can even download the images and upload to Pinterest with your funnel links added in the description. And you can create pins and share it into your Pinterest account. You can also export data from here. So let's get started. This is the Breeze Funnels login page. So you have to enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this page. So welcome to the Breeze Funnel. It's a complete traffic system which enables users to quickly tap into a traffic source of over 320 million active users. So you have here your dashboard wherein you can create your campaigns. For the settings tab, you have here the autoresponder setting. You have Aweber, Mailchimp, Get Response, iContact, Active Campaign, and GoToWebinar. You can edit here your privacy policy in terms of service content. So once you have your campaigns, you can select and then enter your privacy policy data in terms of service data here. So you have here the tab for trainings and tutorials. You also have here your access, what current access you have purchased, bonuses, support, and the DFY, so do for you if you have purchased it. So it depends on your access. Now let's get started and create a new campaign here. So you have to enter a campaign name, maximum of 30 characters, as you can see. So you will see if it's available. So the number of campaigns that you have created will depend on what is the access that you have purchased with Breeze Funnels. So the next step is to enter your keyword to display the related pins. So it will be coming from Pinterest. So let's say I'm going to find for pins related to fitness. So when you click on search, so automatically it will give you the following pins. So you have here the number of likes, the number of pins here. So you can also sort this by the number of pins and the number of likes. So let's say number of pins. And then the next step is to add this to your inspiration. And then from here, you can create your own pins by using or by looking at this pins as inspiration. So you can also view even the description here. So this one for activewear brands. So let's say we're going to add this one. Add this one. So if you are to select only one pin for inspiration, you can automatically create similar pin from here. So, but if you are using more than one, you can select a maximum of 3. So add this. So you will notice here that the 3 pins that you have added for inspiration will appear on the right side. So once you're done, click on next. So as mentioned earlier, you can create your own landing page if you don't have any domain or website that you are using. So let's create a landing page from here. So as you can see, there are several landing page templates that you can use. So for example, we're going to select this fitness challenge page. You can actually view it here. Okay, so let's select this one. Don't worry, you can edit everything on the landing page. So here, you can edit the logo. You can get from Pixabay or upload your own. So you can also edit the text. Just click on the text that you want to edit. So for the background image, you can see here the styling options. You can browse and use your own image. So there's a recommended dimensions that you just need to follow so that it will display okay on your website. Autoresponder settings, so you can put here or set up your autoresponder by using your API on the settings tab, or you can copy and paste the code. For the tracking code, you also have here the Google Analytics and FB retargeting code, SEO options as well for the ranking of the page. And then for their submission, so if it's successful or failed, you can select an option to redirect them or display a message. Right, so form controls, place your order, so whatever you want to input, let's say let's sign up. Okay, button link, okay, name of the placeholder, and so on. So if you're done editing the following for your landing page, so for now let's just keep it as it is. Let's click on save. So once it's saved, you have here create pin, automation, update. So generate ads, so you can also do it from here. So when you click on publish option, you will see that your page will be published. So this is the link. So let's try to visit on a new tab. So this is how your landing page would look like. So you can even download a WordPress plugin or for HTML. So just click here to download the WordPress plugin and install it on your WordPress site. Okay, so now that you have created your landing page, we can now start to create our pin. So click on the create pin. So in here on the left side, you have the image, inspiration. So remember that we have selected 3 earlier. So these are the images that we will use as an inspiration only. And we cannot use this following images due to copyright issues. So don't worry, on the image side, or when you click on the image tab, you can search an image from here. So depending on the keyword that you have entered, you can also change this and then click on search. So let's try to click on one. So once you have selected an image to use for your pin, you can edit here from the image editor. So let's say I'm going to put a text. You can drag them and resize. We can change the color. Okay, so you can also input icons here like a star, a heart, bubble, or emojis. So click on text, place their alignment. So you can also change the filter, crop, rotate the image, and then you have here delete. Right. So if you want to use your own image for the pin, you can click here on the gallery, browse, and then choose the image that you want to use from your computer. So once you're done, just click here on the save image and then proceed to create post. So from here, you'll see the image or the pin that you have created or edited. You can download it. Enter your description, so you can also retrieve the description on the pins that you have added for inspiration. So for example, this one, home exercise, and so on. You can even edit it or write your own description. And then for the link, so you will notice this is the landing page or the link for the landing page that we have created earlier. And then once you're done, so you can simply copy this description and post it directly on your Pinterest, and you can even export the data. So when exporting the data, you'll notice here it comes in a CSV file. So that's how you can easily create your landing page and then automatically create the pins that you can share on your Pinterest account. So now let's go back to our dashboard. So you will see here, this is the campaign that we have created. So you can create a new one. So for example, demo 2. I'll just show you on how you can create the pins without creating the landing page. Should you have any website or you have any hosting that you want to use. So keyword is about dogs. So I'm getting this, so cute, as an inspiration. So or there are other pins that doesn't have description, so you can view or check them out. So add this one. So here, let's add this as an inspiration. And then we click on next. So if you have your own landing page, just simply click here on the create pin. And then you can select your own image from your computer. So let's say I'm going to use this one. So I'm writing here a text. So let's say this is the text that I want to input. Oops, let's delete. So let's select color. So for example, let's say this image, create post. So when you choose to create pin, automatically it will give you this editor wherein you can create your pins. And then simply select from the pins here to retrieve its description. So here, if you create pin, you have to enter your own destination link or where your pins would redirect. So if you have your own website, for example, you can just put it here. So once you have pasted it here, you can copy everything, copy the description, save the image. So there, it's downloaded, or even export data. There, so going back to our dashboard, that's simply how we can utilize Breeze funnels to easily create these pins. So generate traffic on your website, create landing page if you don't have any, and then simply create and copy pins with high traffic pins for inspiration. So thanks for watching this overview and hope to see you on our next videos.
Bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick up this product, when you secure a copy. The first one I'm going to give you is Super Funnels. Access to the Super Funnel package. You can go concurrently with this in case you have some issues with this one up here. You will get this one, so you won't be without a funnels regardless. It's really nice to have as well. Next one, of course, is a get traffic to your pages using the underground influence traffic. So this is all the influential traffic you can drive your traffic to. The next one is great alternatives to ClickFunnels. If you don't like ClickFunnels and you don't like any of the funnels here, this is another alternative. So you got another option here. Another one is building your list on steroids, how to build a huge list fast and double your commissions with this simple strategy, and much more. Very simple. And then of course the bonuses that the vendor has, which we'll get into right now before we get into the pricing. All right, so I'm going to give you two bonuses directly from the vendor. The vendor is allowing us to give two bonuses. So one of these 14 of them here that looks like promising that will help you increase your traffic sources, of course, is the Mega Traffic. With this plugin, you can easily share your posts on various social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. It's the best fitted for your WordPress blog. It will help your customers conveniently follow, like, or subscribe to your social media page to help inform about updates and new releases. And then Social Quick is today's competitive business environment, absolutely viral, that the business ensures that your brand is not only recognizable but also is prevalent. As a result to this, there has been a surge in companies turning social media into a drive traffic to their websites. Social media marketing is the easiest and fastest way to build loyal and true following of customers and business partners by driving traffic. Is neither simple nor quicker than it seems, but you don't have to worry about it, as an exclusive social quick plugin will make your traffic driving process much simpler. Just display social boxes on each of your post, and then sharing your post with driving traffic to social media, and you'll never be that hard anymore. So these are two of the most powerful bonuses that I think that the vendor is offering. I think that my users, or for those of you that pick up this product from me, will be find it most beneficial for. Now onto the prices and upsells. We've got the front end starts at $17, and you're going to get 150 searches. You can do an extract and animate. You can search for high traffic pins ready to emulate any niche for your keyword. Create 10 campaign funnels, host on their servers, no hosting is required. Download the images and upload to Pinterest with your funnel link added to the description. 10 categories, landing pages, syndication to 5 platforms, generate up to 50 ads, analytics, other pages, privacy policy terms and disclaimer, and training and software is all included in the front end. Now, they do have an OTO 1. Starts at $39. You get 450 searches, extract, emulate, create up to 100 campaigns, create and download unlimited HTML campaign templates, 10 plus 5 additional category landing pages. You can spend description tags, titles, added and spending content option, image section addition, upload your own images, syndication to 7 platforms, generate up to 100 ads and 50 additional, which doesn't come with this. It comes with this one up here, so you get 100 total. And then you can do the analytics, and you get privacy, of course, and the terms, disclaimer, the WordPress publishing on Omni pages with your own WordPress site, and funnel clone, quickly clone successful funnels. So that's what you get in this. So you don't get the WordPress plugin according to this in here versus the video by the looks of it. So keep this in mind. If it's not available here, it will be available in OTO 1. Now, OTO 2 is $37. You can create and animate pages and funnels. You can give titles, description tags, and choose options from, and then the brand to create the animated pages. Create it to 300 campaigns and 20 category landing pages. And then, of course, you've got then generate 100 ads, analytics, and your privacy terms in the WordPress publishing as well. OTO 3 is $97. You get 10 reseller products, ready to use videos. Each product comes with guaranteed approval, pays 90% commission on all sales. Then we have the Breeze Funnel Agency at OTO 4 for $47. You have a reseller package, unlimited sales, includes promotional material. And then, of course, Breeze Funnel 1K Weekly version 5, OTO 5, which is $127. You get 1K week to the V5 with a full fill in the blanks affiliate system, including video instructions and 10 done for you products. And then, of course, you get the Breeze Funnels bundle OTO 6 at $127, 3-in-1 software bundle, including OTOs of the software. So you get all of this within this package deals. And then you get all the upgrades accordingly to that. So if you have any additional questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Please don't forget to smash that like button, click on the subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications on this channel, as I will review future products in the coming future. And thank you for watching my review.